It's 11:31. You already know what time it is. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Why Rens. Yeah, so I'm making another video where I do stuff. Okay, I'm gonna start tying up my hair. Okay, let's see. Let's get the front bangs. Yeah, let's get the sides out the way. And get our bangs right here. Alright. Gonna section it into 3 groups. Alright, and then over and under. Wait, am I doing it right? Yeah, over, under. Alright, then this goes under. No, wait. Okay, so this goes, oh, this goes under. Then this. Alright. It's like 12, almost 12 right now. Oh, I should be fixing my sleep schedule. School starts in a couple days. But I'm just braiding my hair. Okay. Alright, there we go. Is that a braid? I don't know. I consider it a braid. Alright, now I'm gonna tie it up. Hopefully I'm doing it correctly. I'm gonna tie up the ends, I think. Alright. Okay. There we go. My hair is braided now. Okay. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. So I just woke up, and now this is how this is what my hair looks like. It's really curly. Like I can't go out like this. I don't think I can. I have ramen noodle hair.